Unveiling the charm of beach huts, your coastal companion. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a delightful and picturesque term that's as much a part of coastal scenery as it is of the English language. Beach huts. Whether you're an English learner, a beach enthusiast, or just curious, this video will give you insights into what beach huts are, their cultural significance, and how to use this term in everyday English. A beach hut is a small, usually wooden and often brightly colored cabin, found by the seaside. These huts are primarily used as a shelter or changing room for beachgoers. Despite their simplicity, beach huts have a certain charm and are considered iconic in many coastal regions. They are a part of summer imagery, evoking thoughts of sunny days, sandy beaches, and the relaxing sound of waves. Beach huts hold a special place in coastal culture, especially in countries like the UK. Originating in the late 19th century, they were initially used for privacy, especially for changing into swimwear. Over time, they evolved into a symbol of leisure and relaxation. Beach huts today are often seen in postcards, paintings, and tourist brochures, representing the quintessential seaside experience. 1. Descriptive usage. We rented a colorful beach hut on Brighton's coastline for our summer vacation. 2. As a metaphor. Our cramped office feels like a beach hut during the heat wave, small but breezy. 3. In questions. Have you ever stayed in a beach hut while visiting the seaside? Each usage demonstrates the flexibility of the term in everyday English, fitting into various contexts seamlessly. Beach huts often appear in films, literature, and art, showcasing their iconic status. They are used as backdrops in romantic scenes, settings for family summer vacations, or even as symbols of solitary retreat in literature. Their depiction in popular culture underlines their association with leisure, escape, and the beauty of the seaside. I hope this video has given you a vivid picture of what beach huts are and how they are more than just structures on the beach. They're symbols of relaxation, history, and culture. Whether you see them in person or use the term in your English conversations, beach huts are a delightful aspect of coastal life to know about. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more interesting English language insights.